Switzerland is a country known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and unique culture. But beyond the postcard-perfect images, there are many curiosities and interesting facts about this alpine nation. Today, we'll explore curiosities about Switzerland that will leave you astounded. Switzerland is famously known for its neutrality, but did you know that the country hasn't participated in any armed conflict since 1815? That's over 200 years of peace in the heart of Europe. When it comes to Swiss precision, the country's railway system is a testament to that. Swiss trains are known for being punctual to the minute, and delays of even a few seconds are cause for apologies. Chocolate lovers will rejoice in Switzerland, as the country is home to some of the finest chocolate manufacturers in the world. Swiss chocolatiers have been perfecting their craft for centuries, creating delectable treats that are enjoyed worldwide. And speaking of delectable treats, Switzerland is also famous for its cheese. The country is home to over 450 varieties of cheese, including the world-renowned Emmental and Gruyere. Did you know that Switzerland has not one, not two, but 4 official languages? The country recognizes German, French, Italian, and Romansh as its official languages, reflecting Switzerland's multicultural and diverse heritage. Switzerland is often associated with its majestic mountains, but did you know that around 60% of the country is actually covered in forests? Switzerland takes great pride in its environmental conservation efforts, with strict laws protecting its natural beauty. When it comes to timekeeping, the Swiss don't just excel in trains. The country is also famous for its precision in watchmaking. Swiss luxury watch brands such as Rolex, Omega, and Tag Heuer are globally renowned for their craftsmanship. Switzerland's commitment to sustainability goes beyond its natural resources. The country is home to the world's first zero-energy university, the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, which produces as much energy as it consumes. Ever heard of the famous Swiss Army knife? This versatile multi-tool is recognized worldwide for its practicality and compact design. It was originally created for the Swiss Army in the late 19th century, and has since become an iconic symbol of Swiss ingenuity. Switzerland is a land of breathtaking natural beauty, and one of its most popular tourist destinations is the Matterhorn. This majestic mountain peak stands tall at 4,478 meters, 14,692 feet, and has captivated climbers and hikers for centuries. If you're a fan of cheese fondue, Switzerland is the place to be. The traditional Swiss dish of melted cheese is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. It's the perfect comfort food, especially during the colder months. Switzerland is famous for its high quality of life, and part of that can be attributed to its excellent healthcare system. The country's healthcare is considered one of the best in the world, ensuring that its citizens receive top-notch medical care. When it comes to recycling, the Swiss take it to another level. The country has one of the highest recycling rates in the world, with strict laws and efficient systems in place to minimize waste and promote sustainability. Switzerland is known for its exceptional public transportation system, but did you know that it also has some of the world's most scenic train rides? The Glacier Express and Bernina Express offer breathtaking views of the Swiss Alps, lakes, and charming villages. If you're a lover of winter sports, Switzerland is paradise. The country is home to some of the best ski resorts in the world, offering pristine slopes, state-of-the-art facilities, and stunning mountain vistas. Switzerland is also home to the largest particle physics laboratory in the world, known as CERN. Scientists from around the globe come to CERN to conduct groundbreaking research and unravel the mysteries of the universe. Despite its small size, Switzerland is known for its innovation and technological advancements. The country has produced numerous Nobel laureates and is a world leader in scientific research and development. Switzerland's commitment to education is evident in its extensive higher education system. The country has several world-renowned universities and institutions that attract students from all over the world. If you're a fan of outdoor adventures, Switzerland has plenty to offer. From hiking and mountaineering to paragliding and river rafting, this picturesque country is a playground for adrenaline junkies. Switzerland is also known for its efficient and reliable public transportation system, making it a breeze for locals and tourists to travel around the country. Trains, buses, boats, and cable cars connect even the most remote corners of Switzerland. When it comes to cleanliness, Switzerland takes it very seriously. The country is known for its pristine streets, well-maintained public spaces, and a strong emphasis on cleanliness and hygiene. Finally, Switzerland's banking system has long been known for its privacy and stability. Swiss banks are renowned for their discretion and security, making Switzerland a global hub for finance and wealth management. From its breathtaking landscapes to its cultural diversity and technological advancements, Switzerland is a country full of wonders and curiosities. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, Switzerland has something to offer everyone. As we delve deeper into the curiosities of Switzerland, let's explore the country's political structure. Switzerland is a federal republic composed of 26 cantons, each with its own constitution and government. This unique system ensures a balance of power between the federal government and the cantons. Switzerland is not only known for its political stability, but also for its strong economy. The country has one of the highest GDP per capita in the world and is home to many multinational corporations, particularly in the pharmaceutical, banking, and watchmaking industries. When it comes to education, Switzerland stands out for its excellent vocational training system. Apprenticeships and vocational schools are highly valued, and they provide students with practical skills and hands-on experience that are sought after in the job market. While Switzerland is not a member of the European Union, it is closely tied to the EU through a series of bilateral agreements. This allows the country to maintain its independence while benefiting from economic integration and free movement of people. In terms of transportation, Switzerland is known for its efficient and reliable infrastructure. The country boasts an extensive network of well-maintained roads, making it easy to explore its picturesque landscapes and charming villages. Switzerland's commitment to sustainability extends beyond just recycling. The country is a global leader in renewable energy, with a significant portion of its electricity coming from hydroelectric power, wind farms, and solar panels. Swiss cuisine is a blend of influences from its neighboring countries, such as France, Italy, and Germany. Traditional Swiss dishes include fondue, raclette, rösti, and Zürcher Geschnitzeltes, offering a delicious taste of the country's culinary heritage. The Swiss flag is a prominent symbol of the country and is recognizable worldwide. The distinctive white cross on a red background represents the Swiss Confederation and its values of peace, neutrality, and unity. Switzerland's commitment to neutrality is exemplified by its hosting of numerous international organizations and diplomatic missions. Geneva, in particular, is known as the diplomatic capital of the world, home to the United Nations office and many other international agencies. Switzerland has a strong tradition of outdoor sports and leisure activities. The country's pristine lakes and rivers provide ample opportunities for swimming, boating, and even surfing. In the winter, ski resorts attract visitors from around the globe who come to experience world-class slopes and breathtaking alpine views. Another fascinating aspect of Switzerland is its strong sense of community and political participation. The country practices direct democracy, meaning that Swiss citizens can participate in decision-making processes through frequent referendums and voting on various issues. Switzerland is also home to numerous festivals and cultural events throughout the year. From the colorful Fête de l'Escalade in Geneva to the world-famous Montreux Jazz Festival, there's always something exciting happening in the Swiss calendar. The Swiss are known for their precision and attention to detail, and this extends to their famous Swiss timepieces. Swiss watches are renowned for their craftsmanship, durability, and timeless elegance. Brands such as Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Swatch continue to set the standard for luxury and precision in the watchmaking industry. For those interested in exploring the cultural heritage of Switzerland, the numerous museums and galleries offer a glimpse into the country's history and artistic achievements. From traditional folk art to contemporary masterpieces, there is something to inspire every art lover. Switzerland's commitment to nature conservation is evident in its national parks and protected areas. The country's stunning landscapes, including the Swiss Alps and Lake Geneva, are preserved and carefully managed for future generations to enjoy. One of Switzerland's most significant contributions to the world is the Red Cross. The humanitarian organization was founded in Geneva in 1863 and has since played a crucial role in providing aid and support to those affected by natural disasters and conflicts around the globe. With its blend of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and technological innovation, Switzerland continues to captivate and inspire. Whether you're exploring the charming streets of Lucerne, hiking in the majestic Swiss Alps, or simply indulging in a piece of Swiss chocolate, this country leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. From its political neutrality to its commitment to environmental sustainability, Switzerland serves as a shining example to the world. Its harmonious blend of tradition and progress makes it a truly unique and captivating destination. As we conclude our exploration of the curiosities of Switzerland, we hope that you've gained a deeper appreciation for this incredible country. Whether you've been inspired to plan a trip to Switzerland or simply learned something new, Switzerland's fascinating curiosities will continue to intrigue and amaze. We hope you've enjoyed these curiosities about Switzerland. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below your favorite, subscribe for more interesting content, and tell us, would you like to visit Switzerland someday? Thanks for joining us.